Hey everyone, this is Shivala. Today we will see how we can automatically adjust the width of our column. If our text is bigger, the column width should automatically increase, and if it is small, it should automatically adjust the width of the column. So generally what we do, if we write something in Excel, for example, I am writing a bigger text, computer and science. Now, if you can see, the column width is very small to accommodate the text. So what we generally do is, we either double click the column or we adjust it manually. But if we have more columns, for example, if we have 10-20 column, then it's not possible for us to adjust each and every column. So in such cases, what we can do is, we can write a piece of code. It's just one line of code through which it will automatically adjust the width of the column. That means if the text is big, it should increase automatically, and if the text is small, the column width should reduce automatically. So for this, I'll take a fresh sheet. Okay, this is sheet number 3. Now to write the code, what we have to do is click on Alt and F11. Okay, this is the page where you will write the code. So our sheet was sheet 3. What I will do is, I will right click and click on view code. So this is the place where we'll write code. So click on this drop down and select worksheet. Okay, now in this we'll write just one line of code, and that code is write cells dot, through this take columns. Okay, this is columns, and dot and autofit. So this is just one line of code you have to write to make our column autofit. Just close this window. Okay, now in this sheet, if I write computer science, and I have to just press the enter key, the width will automatically increase. And if I write a very small text, for example maybe ENG, and if I click on enter, it will automatically reduce. So this is the way you can use to adjust the column width. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.